Hello, well traders. Today I am going to share you a strategy that I made, and I hope it will be beneficial for you in your day trading. And this strategy uses the three indicators and will give you three confirmations, and it is a very good strategy, and I hope you can utilize it good in your crypto stocks or forex market. So you guys know I try my best in this channel to bring a valuable content and valuable strategies. And I am also a day trader, and I am not someone who didn't have any experience in crypto trading. I have more than 2 years of trading experience in this field. So I will try my best to bring the most profitable strategies, and I will also suggest you to join my Telegram group. And I update, I post related to crypto and Bitcoin and overall market. So, and I will also suggest you to please subscribe my channel and make it number one channel on YouTube, so I can bring more powerful strategies. So trader, let's begin our strategy. First of all, select your favorite coin or stock or any forex pair. So second time frame will be 15 minutes. So our first indicator will be volatility oscillator by verified, and the second indicator we'll use will be trend meter, and that's it. And the third indicator will use a MACD, which is moving average convergence divergence. And we will go to settings, and we will do the remove the signal and MACD line, so we will only left with a histogram of MACD. So that's it. Okay, and we also want to remove the style of wavelength, this first one, signal one. We'll untick this, and that's it. Okay, this is the setup of our indicator. That's it. So, viewers, before I tell you the buy sell conditions, I want to do a disclaimer that this strategy is not back tested by me yet. So I don't know how much accurate will be. It's only for your information purpose, and whether you want to utilize it or not. So let's see what will be our setup in this strategy. So for setup, we'll see alignment of this trend meter. The 10 meter is consisting of five things, and the dots represent three 10-meter alignment, and the lines below represent EMAs or moving averages. And the above volatility oscillator should be above the blue upper line, and in case of buy signal, and the MACD should also show increasing buying volume. So if in this case we have all the things in alignment, so this is a perfect buy signal for us. And you can see we will take the profit until we got this decreasing volume in MACD. This is here you can see, if we I put a line here, you can see at this point we have a decreasing volume. So your stop loss will be below the previous swing. Here you can see this is, that's it from our buy sell. Now, as you see in the buying conditions, same is the case for sell conditions. Let me show you some wrong trades. You can see this trade should be not be open because volatility oscillator is not above the line, and also there is no green volume in MACD. Here in this case we have all the things in alignment, but MACD is in halfway, which means MACD is now going to reverse. So remember this thing, so in opening your trade. So let's see if we can find our perfect accurate signal. So Here you can see we have volatility below lower line, all the meters are alignment, and there is start of MACD selling volume. So this is a perfect signal from entry signal for short from here, and you can see. And we can take 1 to risk to reward ratio. Let's see where it can go. It's a good signal. And so there is another thing I want to tell you. If you utilize the trend meter function, that is, if all the things are red in case of selling signal, you will continue your winning trade. Means you will not close it. Like before I tell you that we will wait for the MACD to turn into decreasing volume. That's also a thing. You can utilize both ideas. Sometimes trend meter gives you a good return, okay, and sometimes MACD saves you from a trade which is profitable, but because of waiting for trend meter, you got almost negligible profit. So that's if you want to play safe, you can go for MACD. If you want to play a high return, then you can go for trend meter. I hope my voice, my thing is clear for you. You understand what I want to convey to you. So now you know here the all the things. So in this strategy we have three confirmations. First of all, trend meter is also in itself a highly confirmation indicator, but we have added more power to it. So it can further you can say minimize. So we'll see another signal if we can get here. For our example, let's see. Here you can see we have all the greens, you can see in the trend meter, but there is no volatility in the volatility oscillator, you can see. So this signal is cross, and if let's see it is a successful um, signal from volatility. So you can see we are not getting good green volume. So let's see. Okay. You can see there is again a green red. You can see there is a ranging market. So that was a good correct false signal from by pointed out by a volatility oscillator. So that's why we are using these three indicators, so we can get rid of false signals. So in this case you can see we have perfect signal. You can see we have volatility below lower line. All the three indicators are in alignment. You can see where we have a start of MACD. Although we have the lower line which is slower EMA, it is still green, but if other two indicators, volatility and MACD, are in perfect start, then we can go for it. You can see I will go for it, although it seems it is against my thing. My trade is against me. No, and let's see. Okay, it's hit. So it's up to you. If you want a trend meter to all red, that will be more safer, but this can also work. I give you possibilities. I want to share knowledge with you, so you can play with your own your own way, and how you want to utilize it. So that was my thinking, that I was thinking, so I shared this in a strategy. So thanks for watching.